Welcome to our video where we discuss a very pressing question that is on everyone's mind these days. Can artificial intelligence replace your jobs? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has come a long way in recent years, and its capabilities have increased beyond imagination. With advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and automation, AI is gradually penetrating into various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and transportation, and transforming the way we work. In the past, we have seen automation take over several jobs, from the Industrial Revolution to the current digital age. Many jobs have been replaced by machines, and new ones have emerged in their place. However, the question of whether AI will replace our jobs is more pressing now than ever before. One of the primary reasons for the fear that AI will take over our jobs is its ability to automate repetitive and mundane tasks. Jobs like data entry, customer service, and even some healthcare roles can be automated using AI, saving companies time and money. However, it is also true that AI cannot replace jobs that require human skills such as empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. In some industries, AI has already taken over many jobs. For example, in the finance sector, algorithmic trading using AI has replaced human traders. In healthcare, AI is used to diagnose diseases and suggest treatments. In manufacturing, robots are increasingly taking over jobs on the assembly line. But at the same time, there are jobs that AI cannot replace. Jobs that require empathy, creativity, and critical thinking, such as teaching, nursing, and art, require human intervention. AI cannot replace the human touch, and certain jobs cannot be automated due to their complexity. In conclusion, while AI can replace some jobs, it cannot replace all jobs. Instead, AI can assist us in our work, make our lives easier, and help us achieve better results. It's essential to adapt to these changes and embrace the new technologies to stay relevant in the job market. We should focus on reskilling and upskilling ourselves to adapt to the changing job market. That's it for today's video. We hope this video was informative and helped you understand whether AI can replace your jobs. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.